Alright, well, when I went to the place to look for some wood, I found, which I think is oak, the skinnier one right there. That's going to be a nice table one day, hopefully. Right now it's too cold to let the resin set in the garage, and I can't do it in the house. This big old giant piece here, I have no idea what kind of wood that is. It's been aged, obviously. But when I went there, which I usually go there to get some of my stuff, that's where I got the pieces of wood for the cutting boards with the copper colored resin I used. And the guy comes to me and he says, you know, because I always go to the scrap piles, and he says, any two pieces you want for 40 bucks. I says, are you sure about that? And he goes, yeah, any two pieces for $40. So, well, those are the two pieces I picked out for $40. And in this video here, I'm not going to turn anything or make anything. I was in the garage cleaning it up, and I did show, you know, me driving there. But try to break the videos up, do something a little different other than constantly making bowls. I do want to make something different eventually. It's just right now with Michigan being so cold, and I only have that heater right there. It does a good job if it's not too bitter in here. It's nice, doesn't, you know, have any carbon monoxide that comes in here. It's ventless, so it's nice. That big turbo heater, it warms the garage up 3 times faster, and it stays nice and warm, probably within the 60s. But that thing there has a lot of carbon emissions that will make you lightheaded. It's not good for you, so I don't use it anymore. I went to this one here. So that's what I have to work with for now. The garage is uninsulated, which most garages are. But a little shop of, I guess, look of my garage workshop here. You know, you think you have a lot of tools, and people will tell you you have a lot of tools, and then you start getting into different projects, and you realize there's 10 or more tools that you don't have that you need. And the one that I am missing, as far as the tool goes, is a bandsaw. My bandsaw, well, I don't have one, but I would love to have one. But they're so dang on expensive. So eventually I'll get one, so that way there I can take logs like this here that I have, that you guys have been seeing me make bowls with. That is all maple, other than this piece right here. That's a piece of walnut. I also paid 40 bucks for 3 times the amount that I have right there. And that's my scrap bin where I throw all my scraps into. Well, they all don't make it there. They're kind of back here too. You know, you get to making something and you kind of keep on going. You know, you don't do the clean as you go. But yeah, this would be the garage. Fishing poles, a deer head that was given to me by my father-in-law, and those stop sign and yield sign, those were from Detroit. That's where I grew up at, was Detroit. And me and my brother weren't such good kids. It explains why they're up there. But, well, he was better than me. I was the worst one. But either way, I figured I'd make a short video. Showing, fingers in the way. Showing some of the things that that are in my garage here, my little one. That's all I have is a little garage. But either way, I'm not complaining. I'm blessed to have it, and what I do have, I'm very blessed to have. But yeah, those 2 pieces of wood are going to make something special, I hope, one day. But like I said, we have to get past this winter. I can't stand winter anymore. Can't stand it. Florida just seems so much more better, doesn't it? Nice and warm tropical weather. I know, the hurricanes and the bigger bugs. They got lizards and alligators. Well, that's no different than growing up in Detroit. I see it all in Detroit, and I'm still here, thank God. Because a lot of us are not. I grew up in the 80s, so. But either way, thanks for watching, and God bless. Have a great day.